Guys, we're gonna do a little surf and turf on the Blackstone E-Series indoor griddle coming up. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. Okay, guys, so what are we doing here today? We're gonna do a little surf and turf on the new Blackstone E-Series indoor griddle. I have the 17-inch tabletop. I'm still working on that affiliate link for Walmart. If you're watching this a little ways from now, it may be down below, but they're basically sold out everywhere, every Walmart. You know, anytime they get one on the shelf, it's like someone's waiting in line for it. So obviously these are popular items. So if you get one, good on you. You should play the lottery. But other than that, you just have to wait, okay? And this recipe can be done on a regular Blackstone too, okay? So it's totally up to you how you want to do it. So right now I have 2 T-bone steaks, not the biggest. I'm not assuming they're the best either. They are dry aged. At least that's what the guy on the truck in the mall parking lot told me. I don't know if I should have believed them. All right, well, we're gonna find out how good they are. And we're gonna get them on this griddle first, and then we got some jumbo shrimp that we're gonna throw on halfway through the cook. So we're gonna do about 3 minutes on one side for the steaks, get them flipped over, get them working, and then we'll throw the shrimp on because the shrimp aren't gonna take very long at all, okay? With the shrimp, I've already marinated them. Earlier today, I used a little Caribeque Calypso Kick and Caribeque Island Thyme and a little bit of olive oil for the shrimp marinade, stuck in the refrigerator. It's been like 4 hours or so. Okay. Next thing I've already done is got this Blackstone preheating because I want to be able to kind of get into this cook. All right, so I turned it on. Took it to 400, hit start, and the preheating is going right now. Let's get started on this one. All right, guys, we're seasoning up the steaks right now. We're gonna start off with the big and bold. We're gonna get both sides and the edges. Okay, so nothing crazy. You can see I've already trimmed off the fat. Gonna pat our rubs on. All right, I'm gonna use the board here to get the edges. Okay, get the back side. Let's switch to the honey heat. It's good stuff. And like I said, we're just using a little light dusting of this. Just a little extra little, I wonder what that is on tasting there. It's a little sweet, not bad. All right, y'all, we're gonna start cooking up these steaks right quick. The first thing we're gonna do is sear off the fat. Just give it a couple seconds. Just give it a good sear real quick. Got some good sizzle going on right now. See if it stands up on its own. Stay. Get that one to stand up on its own. When it falls, that means it's ready. And it's ready. All right, we'll get that one going. You gotta have fun while you're cooking. Just gotta do it. All right, so it's chilling. Searing up that fat cap. Got a nice little sear on it. It's looking good. Looking good. And that means it's ready. All right. We'll get those going. I'm gonna give about 3 minutes. And one more good thing about the indoor griddle is we can shut this down. Got that lid shut down. And we'll go ahead and do a little convection cooking in there. All right. All right, y'all, it's been about 3 minutes. Let's open this lid, take a look at what we got going on. Really nice. I love being able to close that lid. It's keeping it nice and clean in there. All right, we got a nice sear going on. There we go. Got a little crustification, if you will. Not bad, not bad. All right, so for me, it looks like the center spot's a bit more hot right there. So we're gonna move the thicker part to that spot. Give it a little bit of time. We're gonna use our thermometer to check the internals. So 88. Yeah, about the same. I'm gonna take these to about 120 or so because I like a more rare, medium rare steak. You can take it a little bit longer if you want, but it really should only be a few minutes on each side. But Get yourself one of these instant read thermometers and you can't go wrong, all right? There'll be a link down below and there's actually a 10% off code if you want to check it out. While that's cooking, we're gonna shut this down. It's almost time to add the shrimp to it. I just want to give it a little bit more time in there because the shrimp are gonna cook up real quick. I think it's about time we add the shrimps to this. So, got about a dozen, no big deal. We get them on towards the back. Get them laid out. Hopefully not to lose any. These shrimp are gonna be super quick, okay? Minute or two each side. Hopefully if I time this out right, we'll be ready to plate them up all at the same time. Steaks are looking good. Let's flip these shrimps. Give them a little mix. Take our temps on these steaks, see how they're looking. All right. Took the steaks to about 130, a little bit more than I wanted, 135 in that range. Gonna take them off, let them rest. Shrimps are good. It's gonna be a feast, all right? Come on back. Y'all, we're done. These steaks look crazy good. The shrimp smells amazing, looks great too. Nice quick meal. Didn't take but like 10 minutes from start to finish, piece of cake. Let's try one of these T-bones. My favorite part of the T-bone obviously is the filet, so let's cut into one of those. All right, took it to about medium, a little bit more than I wanted, but took it to about medium, we're good. I like it. Cheers, guys. Oh, good. That steak is money in the bank right there, so freaking good. All right, let's get one of these shrimps. Done to perfection, of course. All right, take a bite. Guys, that shrimp is exceptional. The Caribeque spices on the steak and the shrimp. Oh, perfect, perfect. All right, guys, if you want to get yourself one of these E-Series Blackstones, right now, I would just say good luck. Keep stocking your Walmart stores. Hopefully they get there. Hopefully they give me a link soon. In the meantime, I'm gonna keep cooking on it. Like I said, this recipe can be done on your regular Blackstone outside. So either way, okay? Not a big deal. If y'all wanna get one of these knives, cutting boards, CJ merch, all that good stuff, click all the links down below, get you where you need to be. If you wanna become part of CJ's crew for real, hit that join button right underneath this video. Join CJ for real on YouTube. And we got some good stuff going on over there, right? Man, it helps out the channel. All right, listen, that's it for this week. I hope y'all have a wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.